Because it's watermelon season right now, my dad bought a whole watermelon, and we're going to be turning it into watermelon juice using the Tokit. You can find the recipe for watermelon juice in its built-in recipes. My dad started by cutting off all the watermelon ridge and then slicing the fruit into cubes. I tried a bit and my mum picked out a really sweet watermelon. You can really use any blender to make this, though we're using the Tokit because of the built-in scale. We used around 800 grams of watermelon. It blends for a minute on the highest speed. When it was finished, there was a layer of foam on the top, so my dad grabbed the Tokit filter add-on. We served it in glasses with ice, and the filter removes the layer of foam. We had enough to fill up 4 glasses. To make it extra fancy, we added slices of lime to each glass. The juice is a refreshing, easy treat, and it pairs well with the citrus of the lime. What makes it even better is that the Tokit is easy to clean. Just pour in a little bit of dish soap and some water. Then pick out the pre-clean function and let it run for a minute and 30 seconds. Then rinse it out and it's way easier to wash. Overall, the juice was a solid 10 out of 10 and the cleaning process made it even better.